I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies with easy steps. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, both granulated and brown sugar, softened butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, and of course, plenty of chocolate chips. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for smooth mixing. Also, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready when your dough is. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. With your dough ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie to allow for spreading. Place the baking sheets into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. This ensures a chewy cookie. Once your cookies are out of the oven, the aroma is incredible. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief cooling period helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 2 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, they're ready to be enjoyed. These easy chocolate chip cookies are perfect for sharing or for a delightful treat all to yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.